And we are live.
Buhay, buhay, buhay.
Hello, hello, hello. Good afternoon here in for those who are here in California. Good morning, good evening, good night sa mga for other people who wherever you may be.
When kabsat, imbaga bigat mo dita, imbaga malumo kan rabiim no inyaman nga lugar ti ayan mo or inyaman nga bansa ti lugar mo. And it's a new day again. Always remember, God is good
All the time,
and all the time
God is good.
God is good.
Yes. So anyway, it is our day 10th day of our 90-day success challenge. Thank you for those who supported or watched us, followed us the past several days. And again, meron na tayong viewer agad. Hello, Ate Gina. Hindi pa natulog. Hello. Well, thank you for all those support, for all our business partners who've been very supportive of us. Thank you so much. And hopefully those people who watch our replays, you have been inspired,
Yes.
blessed.
Whatever you're going through right now, be inspired and be make encouragement sa everyday nyo na
Yeah.
mga pinagdadaanan nyo kung ano man.
Yes. Anyway,
And we always continue pray for you
yeah,
that you will bless too. You guys
You'll
gonna be blessed too.
be blessed. Yes. So today, again, another topic, a new topic again. And our topic for today is give tips. So tips for aspiring entrepreneurs.
Oh, tips. tips.
So aspiring. So
Ano ba?
mga before ba
Teka,
paano
nasa tip ng tangko na eh. Joke lang.
So mga parang bagong papasok pa lang, parang ganon. Sa business.
For us, when we started some our side hustles, what alamin nyo kung ano yung why, kung bakit kayo gusto nyo mag-business, or what yung drives you na to go into a business, or what motivate you.
I don't know what happened there, but there's a bit of siguro, I don't know, technical difficulty.
Ganyan talaga ang kaaway if there's nangingistorbo. Every time you share something encouraging, that yung encouraging words na through God, ganyan ang mga kaaway. It comes magi-istorbo sila at manggugulo. I know. And then yun nga, kung naputol man, true sabi niya, tech difficulty.
Yeah.
Yun nga, nung pagkaputol siguro,
sabi niya,
tips ng aspiring, kasi
for sure naman, in anyone, for someone kasi who's very new or never had experience with a business, before you even start a business, di ba, parang something inspired you first, right? You have to first, there's that interest, but then so why did you eventually have an interest in joining or getting into a business? Of course, it's because you have a why, a reason, right? There's something in your life,
dahilan.
Yeah, there's may dahilan. There's a reason why
O
you
rason.
yun ba yun? Paulit. Ang kulit mo naman.
Sige, para
Yeah.
malaman na.
So something is motivating you, driving you, inspiring you to start a business. So first off is know your why. Ano yun? Kasi that's really yun yung I think yun yung kailangan mong ma-figure out muna kasi kapag hindi mo alam eh baka yun doon ka mapupunta sa alanganin eh pag nagsa-start ka ng business di mo pala alam kung ano yung why mo eh di mahirap yun.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's before we continue, let's say hi to our viewers. We have what 3 million viewers now. Uh, sabi Ate Gina, hi. Hello mga ading ya. She was here during the tech difficulty. Hi sis Salcon, how are you?
Hello.
Ang daming lives I know. You've been jumping to all the lives. So thank you for your support, sis Sal. To sis Noveline Damsen, hello.
Hello din.
Kailan anong oras sa'yo? We will watch you too later. Ano yung sabi ni Ate Gina? Di mo alam saan ka patungo kapag walang why. That's right. That's why I said
Yes.
that's the first step. First, know what motivate. What's
Mhm.
your reason? Kasi it's hard when you are doing something blindly, right?
Mhm.
Meron
Hi.
tayong nakahuli sa atin.
Yeah.
Hi. Ano, si,
Cha
anong,
na lang,
Cha
cha.
ba? Sis Chagsian. Hello, hello. Hi.
Hi.
Ano yan, love it. Go, go, go. I'm so happy for doing this 90 days. Ikaw ang isa sa mga inspiration nito eh. So,
Yes.
thank you. Thank you for being an inspiration to
Mhm.
us sa buong community. Yeah. Ayan, sis
Aranet.
Aranet. There you go. So, anyway, so, ano ba yung sasabi mo
Yeah,
about
what drives you sa bakit gusto mo pumasok with the business or motivation mo?
yeah.
What motivate you na to start a business?
So, sa amin, even though actually we had multiple side hustles already
Mhm.
before, but of course during those time may different reasons man, but
Mhm.
most of it well, ang pinaka halos consistent reason namin, of course, you would like to join a business because what? Supplemental income.
Kumikita ka, yeah.
Kikita ka, right?
Just to cope up with your
Ah.
utility bills kung nagkukulang ka with your
Yes.
regular job.
Mhm. But something new with this business, digital
Yes.
business, why we joined this digital business
Mhm.
this time. Ang pinaka-why namin is because of our family, of our
Our
kids.
kids, yes.
Yes. We want time freedom. We
Mhm.
want to have that time freedom because after having those side hustles before,
Mhm.
if you watch our previous live, I mentioned how doing the side hustle is also taking time away from our kids, and
Mhm.
our kids are not gonna be young forever, right? And so we want to be able to spend more time with them while they're still young. We don't want to miss those times na or this or one of my kid, yung oldest ko, he's before mag teenage yan, that's very critical stage, so I want to make sure na mahabol ko yun kasi yung nga sabi nila na lost time is wasted time. I don't want to
Yes.
miss my opportunity to be able to bond with her. Kasi ayoko na maisip niya na lagi na lang na, oh, mommy's always at work. Work na lang. Even though, yes, it is gonna help our family, but then, hindi lang naman yun
Mhm.
ang kailangan or hinahanap ng mga anak natin, right? They want your presence.
Yes.
Presence. So, we want to be able to do that, to show that to them. That's our way of to show our love to them, right? So, yun, that's the first one that we can think of. Another thing, second one
Second
is
tip is do your background.
background check.
Investigate.
Investigate.
Oh, just like yung one dyan, isang business partner natin dyan.
Sis Aranet.
She is good on those one because she is a professional investigator.
Right. So,
Yun.
but before you jump in, right? Before you
Mhm.
join or before you start any business,
Mhm.
you have to do your research,
Yeah, do your
right?
homework.
Know first know what kind of
Mhm.
business you want to join in, but then
Yes.
for sure, we you got the idea because you for sure meron ka nakita dyan that had also maybe had caused you to get inspired
Mhm.
in join in getting into a business. Pero anyway, before you join, before you start a business, definitely do your background check, know everything, i-prepare mo yung sarili mo, ano ba, paano ba yung
Yeah, just like a student, you do your own homework. Siyempre, lalo na yung when I was in college, yung thesis. Yung
thesis,
gagawa ka ng thesis, mga search ka ng ganyan.
uh,
You have to
mag-research ka,
research ka niya kung
research.
basta mag-research ka dyan hanggang sa ma-conclude mo.
Mag-interview ka ng mga tao if you want
Yeah,
to ano. Yeah,
para
actually that's one
one way
advice that I can tell you is, talk to people who are already in that kind of business,
business. Yes.
learn, know what how they started or what, just talk to them, interview them so that at least you know what you're going into. But also in our digital business naman, that's why we're encouraging you, do your background check, you know do your due diligence,
Yeah.
to do your homework.
Oh, hi Shay. Ang hirap talagang banggitin yun.
Due
Due diligence.
diligence.
Yeah. Hi Shay.
Did
Hi Ralph.
ayan yung batch ko. Ay, Ralph.
Mm,
Hindi ko alam kung
yes.
biniro ba sabi ko, saan ka papunta? Diyan lang sa tabi-tabi." Sabi ni Ralph. Hindi, kabatch ko
Yeah.
yan.
And may
And then ano
share din
sabi,
ni Ate Jeans.
look
Look
for
for
those
those
successful
successful
people
people
in
in
that
the
business.
business.
Yes.
Yes.
Talk to them or follow them.
Mm.
Ganon. And then, ano yung sabi ko? So dito nga sa, told you.
Yeah.
So yeah, to due diligence.
Do.
Told you. So anyway, so do your, ano yung sabi ko?
Background. Pag kausap niyo sa mga
And then
successful
yung
people.
sinasabi din natin na do their own back. So in our
Mhm.
digital business also, do your background check. But how can you do your background check? First off, yun nga sabi namin, you have to click our website, you know.
Mhm.
Kasi how can you
How can you check?
how can you check?
How can you start your background check if you're
Yes,
not
if
gonna
you did
click?
not even click.
Yeah, or
Yeah.
you didn't even check on our website
Yeah.
if we are
Uh,
true, or if it
yeah.
is a scam,
Yes.
or
Yes.
it is malay nyo pala, it's been knocking on your door
Yeah.
and you still don't want to open it.
Kasi actually, so example na lang, so especially here with this digital business, so there's a lot of different digital business being offered out there or
Mhm.
options nyo dyan. But then, how would you know which of the digital business is the one that you want to join
Mhm.
into? So that's why we were telling you, do your, click muna, click our website so that's so you can start and
Mhm.
do your homework, right?
Yeah, do your due diligence. 10 times daw sabi
Due
ni Shay.
diligence, say it 10 times faster daw. Sige nga.
Yeah, like
Race tayo. Ganun, no? Kaya mo?
matiritirti dila.
Due diligence, due diligence.
Mababaluktot ang dila ko.
Ano sabi niya, interview
A successful
successful person. Yes.
Yes.
Yan, si Shay. Napakagaling mag-interview niyan. We're proud of you, si Shay.
Yes.
and
So
then,
our
and then, so anong next step
so
natin?
once you did that
Your
first
background.
step, knowing your why drives your motivation. Second, do
Do
your
your
background
background check.
check, investigate. And
Mm.
third, most important of all,
Pray.
pray.
Pray ka. Yes.
Pray ka sa Panginoon. You
Yes.
pray for it. Before you jump into anything, you pray for it first.
Mhm.
And God will give you the wisdom
Right.
or give you the sign kung if sige, jump in ka na.
Mhm.
Just like what happened to us, na yun nga, sabi namin mag-asawa, every time yung practices namin, our devotional nga, in every decisions that we make, in every move that we make, or kung may aalis man isa sa amin, we pray.
Yeah.
We always pray. Pray. Kasi yun lang minsan na, hindi lang minsan, yun ang talagang makakatulong sa'yo.
Right. 'Cause God knows,
God
what's
knows.
best for us. Yeah.
And then God knows what is your heart's desires.
Yes. Yes.
Yun.
Yun. So pray. And then, now that you prayed about it, of course, God will give you the wisdom. God will give
Yes.
you you will feel meron na yung mafe-feel mo yan
Yes, and like what said sa book of Luke 1:37, nothing is impossible to God.
Galing. Wala akong masyadong so tatalo ako dito
Luke
pag memory verse.
1:37, yes.
Tingnan nga natin, look up nga natin yung
Di
look
look up mo,
Joke.
sige, di look up mo. Talaga, itatry pa ako ni
Itetest
Mrs.
pa.
Itetest pa ako eh.
Okay, next step.
Sabi nga natin, we need to be truthful dito, tapos mamaya, sasabihin
Sige
ko yun,
nga,
hindi
may
pala yun.
mag-check. Ate Gina, nandiyan ka.
Luke 1:37.
37 o 37?
37. Luke 1:37.
Okay, and then the next step after you prayed about it and you already, God is giving you the wisdom, next step would be you have to act on it. Right? You have to act on it.
Of course,
Kaya nga, pinag-pray mo na hindi naman mangyayaring bakit magkakaroon ka ng
I know,
kung hindi
pinag-pray mo na. And
you
then,
will not jump into joining or, if you don't take the risk of
or you're
taking the leap of faith.
Yeah,
Yun.
take that leap of faith.
Yeah.
Paano kung pinag-pray mo but your door is still closed, or
Yeah.
hindi lang door yung clinose mo, pati windows mo pa clinose mo in your gate. Di wala mangyayari, di ba? Don't be scared.
Don't be scared, yes.
Take that risk kasi sa lahat ng bagay naman, in everything we do, there's always a risk.
Yeah.
Diba?
But definitely, I tell you, especially kasi nga, it's your first time to join a business, ang business is like a gamble din yan. You take risk talaga. That's one of the given na yan, or yan na yung expected. When you join a business, you need to learn to or be open to taking risk.
And then yung pagkasabi rin ng president namin, president of our club, you need to be an open-minded. Palawakin mo yung pag-iisip.
Malawakan yung pag-iisip. Kasi nga, kung hindi malawak, of course, then, or malawak, or you're always on your comfort zone.
Timid lang ba? Or very narrow lang yung pag-iisip mo?
Then wala.
You can,
hindi ka, parang parang nisip ko yun is parang syempre pinag-pray mo tapos pero takot ka tapos yung hindi mo ino-open yung parang ipinipilit mo pa rin yung gusto mo or yung nadadala ka sa takot mo, wala, hindi ka mag-move to the next step. Hi Ate Salva, gising si Ate, ano ba ngayon? Ay, Friday, off pa siya, hindi, baka mamaya papasok siya. Hi Ate. Anyway, so yun, take risk, right? And then anong next na step ulit? Anong masasabi pa natin na advice natin? Yun. So actually in any business, so just getting back to our digital business, ganun din. Yun din yung ma-advise namin sa iyo. Once you pray about it, then go for the next step, right? We have a step 2 on this in our digital business, that step 2 will help you actually parang part din ng yung step 2 parang part pa rin ng background check mo yun eh. So yung taking this risk na or acting, that's actually the part where you decide to join na. Kasi hindi mo rin malalaman kung the business will be a fit for you or you will be successful in this business if you did not or you do not even start. 'Di ba? Kung hindi mo trinay, hindi mo malalaman.
Yep.
Right? Kasi parang ako, we can definitely tell you na sa mga businesses na na-try namin, talagang kailangan mong i-try muna.
Ano ba, nag-trial and error tayo?
Hindi, I mean, sa mga ano mo rin naman, actually, sa experience sa parents mo when you were young.
Oh, yeah.
Dapat, di ba, sa mga pagbebenta lang ng food, hindi mo malalaman na kung mag-work kung hindi mo itatry. Tapos syempre
Yes.
sa umpisa sa mga trial ng mga ganito, sa mga food ha, sa umpisa pabigay-bigay ka ng mga free mga
Yeah.
free stuff muna.
Kaya that's why yung number 5 na tip is develop. You have to develop your patience. You need to be disciplined. Tapos yung consistency and positive mindset.
Ayun, yun yung mga ano
Ay,
naman.
yung ano ko lang for kuan. Ayun nga, yung sinasabi mo, yung pagtitinda-tinda. Siyempre, i-develop mo yung positive mindset ba na kuan. May mapagbebentahan ka. You need to be consistent sa food na
Yan na naman yung consistency mo.
Oo,
Babalik mo
siyempre
na naman yung food
nalulutuin
mo.
mo para babalik-balikan ka, di ba? Oh. And then you need to be patient on waiting for those customers na pupunta sa iyo at bibili ng pagkain, right? And then positive ka lang. Sabi mo na, magugustuhan niyo to. Hindi yung sasabihin mo, sana po magustuhan niyo. Hindi, no, magugustuhan mo to. You need to be direct. Hindi yung sana po
Maganda yun,
magustuhan nyo. Hindi, no. You need to be direct. Magugustuhan mo to at babalik-balikan mo ako for sure. Yun.
Maganda yan.
Positive mindset nga eh. Develop mo, right?
But he mentioned about being patient. Kasi so first off, yung before jumping into that, yun nga yung I want to go back on the
Ay, Bro
yung
Roger.
sinabi
Thank
natin
you
na
for watching.
act, so dapat talaga yun nga, start ka muna para malaman mo kung yung business will work for you. Now, know that in any business, hindi laging kanyan, may ups and downs ang business.
Yes.
So, be prepared na to be tested. So kaya nga that's why we said develop yung mga yon. Patience, kasi definitely you need a lot of patience in any business. In ang true business, in any legit true business, it can be slow, right? And it can be slow in progress. Hindi yan overnight success. Hindi ganyan. Walang true business na overnight success. Ang business talaga slowly nag-grow yan. So you have to develop patience kasi hindi mo parang may time na syempre lalo na sa umpisa when you're learning everything, things are slow at first. So develop that patience. And the good thing with this one is if you prayed about it, God will help you develop that.
Yes.
Yung discipline yun yung sabi niya na consistency. This is your business, so you have to learn to be consistent. Show up for your business every time. Diba? You invested in it. You want this business to grow, then have the discipline to be consistent, to show up. Take care of your business. Dilig-diligan mo lagi yan, or when it comes to like the idea of like growing a plant or what. And then yun nga, yung positive mindset, kasi nga if develop a positive mindset, kasi nga of course maraming diyan, lalo na sa umpisa, pag time na yun yung nasa low pa or mabagal pa ang progress ng business mo, maraming naysayers dyan, maraming mga magdi-discourage sa'yo ng mga tao. But
sometimes yung mga magdi-discourage na yan hindi naman nila trinay din. Diba? They didn't even check on it.
Sila pa nga yung mga...
Tapos doon ka pa makikinig.
Oh, yeah.
Sila nga, hindi rin nila nag-try Alam mo, parang expert sila sa Yeah, I know, expert sila sa say no. Watching daw si Brother Roger from work.
From work. Hi, Brother Roger. Sister J-Lo, hello po. Thank you for watching. And then,
what's next?
May mga comments pa ba dyan na hindi natin ayun, nakita natin yung sinabi ni ito daw yung verse.
For the God will never fail. Yeah, nothing is impossible. Ibang ibang version yan nung nakita natin, Jeans. Papakita ko yung sa akin mamaya.
Okay. All right. So yeah, develop positive mindset. Surround yourself with people who are who have positive mindset as well. Para sila ang magi-encourage sa iyo. Yan, ganun. And next one would be dapat din, another tip na we can say is that you should be trainable, coachable. Yes, student, when you're starting a business, hindi ka naman expert kaagad,
Mhm.
you know. So be ano tawag to, be humble and
Be
try
humble
to
and
open yung tawag nito, take advice from other people.
yes, take those
Ah,
advices
yeah.
and maging tawag nun? Hindi, sige tuloy mo pa. Teka, nawala.
Nakita mo lang ako.
Uy! Uy,
Ipasok ko.
bumabanat ka rin
But anyway, yeah, so dito naman sa digital business namin, that's one of the things that we are actually saying every time. Be coachable. If you want to grow your business, you want to be successful, be coachable.
Mhm.
The good thing in our digital business is we have a very good training site
Yes, we have a very
na
good training system.
and yes, na can guide you step by step
Mhm.
on how to grow your business. Kasi in any business talaga, you don't just start a business and then yung parang alam mo na kaagad lahat. No. You have to get some training.
Yeah, training. Study it first.
Either kahit nga kunyari sa food naman, bakit may continuous learning kang dapat ginagawa dyan eh. You kahit marunong ka na, let's say kasi asawa ko
Oo. Tingnan
puro
mo.
cooking ang pinag-uusapan. Teka na, tapusin ko yung idea
Sige,
ko.
sige.
'Di ba, kahit sabihin mong marunong na siya sa pagluluto, he has to develop something new kasi kung kunyari, 'di ba, he will look into kung paano yung response ng mga or feedback ng mga customers niya. Kung may kailangan siyang i-improve or kailangan niya
Yes.
mag-develop ng bagong recipe or ng dapat
with
open
those,
siya with that.
with you need to be open-minded. Dapat kung may mga tawag na ba yan, mga criticisms na mga ganun, you need to be accountable yung mga yon para ayun, make room for improvements.
Every time.
Every
Nice.
time,
Yes.
yun. And yun nga. Oh.
Learn and follow to successful person, sabi ni
Sabi
Brother Roger.
Taas ka dun. Hindi,
Ano, taas ako.
Yan, tingnan mo. Basahin mo. Basahin mo.
Okay, basahin ko. Sister Shay, sabi ni Sister Shay, love the confidence brother, sabi niya, correct. Luke 1:37, for nothing will be impossible with God.
See? Anong version lang yung nakita natin, Jeans?
Sabi mo ni Sister Shay, pag tama talaga ang ginagawa at sinasabi, iba ang confidence level. Like how confident you are with this business kasi alam natin na this business is a gold mine. Yeah, yan naman, gold mine, definitely. It is a gold mine. Yeah, kaya hindi kami, like what she said, we won't be confidently sharing or talking about our business kung hindi kami naniniwala or that if we are not confident that it is a gold mine. It is a gold mine. Definitely. Napakaganda ng business na to. Ano ba yung sasabihin mo about dun sa, parang may gusto ko sabihin kanina dun sa
attainable,
coachable.
Attainable, coachable.
Mhm.
Be a student. Yun nga, pag-aralan mo. Pag-aralan
Be
mo
a
yung
continuous student
kasi in doing a business, continuous education yan.
Right.
Like ito, papasok ko na naman sa pagluluto, right? Hindi naman parating adobo lang yung kaya mong lutuin. You go explore, magsinigang ka, explore ka ulit. Kung hindi mo na kaya yung mga stagnant ka na sa Filipino recipes, mag-barbecue ka, mag-smoke ka, mag-brisket ka. Kagaya
or actually nga,
kahit
nga sa adobo ngayon, may mga different versions na eh.
Yes,
you have to upgrade, you have to
level
parang,
up. Just like sa parenting din, it is a continuous education sa parenting. Or in life, continuous education in life. Kasi hindi mo naman alam lahat. Hindi tayo yung Panginoon na omni God ba?
all-knowing, yung all-knowing
God. All-knowing God na hindi ka naman hindi ka naman all-knowing God na alam mo lahat sa buhay.
Omniscient.
Right? Omniscient. Di tama. Hindi mo naman alam yon. Siya lang ang nakakaalam nun. Right? Continuous education yan.
Yes. Sabi ni Brother Roger, food fusion. Yes. Kaya nga, may mga ganyan na eh. Because you're always improving and everything.
Improving.
But also, and the good thing about our digital business naman din, napapasok ko is we have mentors and coaches na
That they will guide you.
yes. So you will be assigned to, when you join our digital business, meron kang mentors and coaches that will always guide you din naman. Just be just be coachable. Be
Yes,
always
just
be
like
willing to learn.
example lang nga eh. One text away ka lang sa GC group. Pap. Lahat sasagot lahat 'yan. Tingnan mo.
Yeah. Ang ganda nga kasi we have a community, a
good
very
community,
supportive
yes.
community. Yun din, another thing na nasabi na naman namin about our digital business. So, that community, very big big thing dito sa namin is or big help sa amin is having this great community in our business, which I don't know if you can find that in other businesses. I mean, so compare ko, so we used to have our own side hustle, but it's just us in that business. So parang kung wala si Mister, kung hindi niya ako matulungan, ako kawawa akong mag-isang gumagawa nung kung ano man mga orders or what. And mapapagod ka. Kakapagod. If you don't have any. Kaya that leads us to our last last tip siguro.
Hello, Maricha.
Nakahabol. Kahabol si Maricha. Hello, Maricha. Our last tip kasi is about being a team player.
Team player, yes.
Be a team player. Yes. When you join a business, kasi in any business, ano yung sabi mo? Yung kanina about sa team player.
Yeah, sa team player, there's no I sa team.
Hindi lang yun.
At saka sa team player, in any businesses or in any sa restaurants and everything,
kahit traditional kasi yan.
Kahit traditional businesses yan, kung wala ang isa, hindi magpa-function. It won't function.
Hindi, pero yun nga, yung sasabi na hindi ang business parang hindi talaga hindi ka lang mag-isa dyan.
Yes.
You will always need some support. You will always, may ano yung
tingnan mo.
Katuwang.
Tingnan mo sa buhay nga, may katuwang ka dapat sa buhay. Kasi sabi ng Panginoon, there's
no man
is an island. Ayun. May katuwang ka. You need
so
to be a player.
You need to have that be
kaya
a team
nga,
player
dapat
din.
Kasi nga, huwag kang magsarili, huwag mong akuhin lahat. Di ba? I-distribute mo yan. Kailangan mo ng katuwang.
Yes.
You have a team. That's why in our digital business, we have a good team. Maganda yung community natin kasi it's always a helping hand.
Yeah.
Whoever needs help, someone meron sasalo dyan.
Though so in this digital business, even though you will own your own business, meron ka namang pero meron kang support. So hindi ka nag-iisa.
Yes.
Yan sinasabi lagi ng mister ko na when you join this digital business, nandito kami to support you, tulungan tayo. Yan sinasabi niya because definitely in this digital business, we are a team. We are a team all throughout.
Hindi lang support. Kung ano pa yung ano ba?
Mula na ako sa init. Mainit na yun sa amin. Buti na lang umakin. Sa labas po kami because of course we have our kids. They're home already.
Yeah.
So,
at para hindi masyadong maingay at marinig nyo yung mga pinagsasabi namin dito and it serves as encouragement din sa inyo whatever you guys are going through right now, para ma-enlighten din kayo sa mga insights namin mag-asawa.
Mahirap kasi pag nadidistract kami pag nandyan yung mga bata pero hindi lang naman, nakikita lang namin sila. Anyway, ano pa? So yun. Well, we also want to share a verse. I think that will
relate sa mga to.
Yeah, so kasi nga about praying, and then kasi when you start a business, 'di ba, meron kang desire. Once you learn that your why, 'di ba, meron yang for sure you have that na-develop yung desire mo to start the business. So that's why ito yung napili namin in Psalm 37 verse 4,
which is delight yourself in the Lord and He will give you the desires of your heart.
Yun. So kaya sinasabi namin sa mga fellow business partners namin to always to pray or dedicate Dedicate your business. Or even for those na magjo-join pa lang or nakakausap pa lang namin, pray about this business if it's something that God wants you to do, or wants if it's God's will for you to have this business.
Yes.
Kasi dapat ano yun eh, kasi first of dapat talaga yung
Hindi dapat burden yung hindi dapat yung ano yan, mabigat sa kalooban mo once you go to a business. Hindi dapat magiging parang stress sa iyo yun eh. You need to be happy, you need to be delight. And then ipagkaloob mo sa Panginoon. And yun nga, gaya ni sabi ng President Club namin, if there's a problem, that's a sign. Sabi niya gano'n. Sign that hindi ka naman bibigyan ng Panginoon ng problema nang walang solusyon, pero it's a sign na at the end of na malagpasan mo yung problem na yan, there's a reward.
Pero yung yung verse kasi na rin na to, ibig sabihin kasi delight yourself is you do your part din kasi as a child of God. You yun nga yung
syempre yung desires mo
glorify mo yung Panginoon every time. You yun nga you delight yourself unto him na parang dapat yung in all of the things that you do, dapat yung nag-glorify siya. So kaya nga even in this business naman you can use this business to bless others.
Yes.
That's what we've been doing in this and what we desire in this business is that sana magamit na
nakakapag-fellowship din tayo dito. We could share some
tool
verses.
Or ano ba yung term doon, to actually tool or what to bless others. You know, kasi not only through financially or be able to help others, kasi hindi yun nga yung sa amin, when we found this business, it was a solution to our situation that time. And so we hope na for other people then, other families out there who are having, going through something, we hope or I hope nasan kapag itong business na to could be, if this is the solution for you, we hope to help you. We hope to help you. And then ano pa? Ano ba yung there's another verse that we want to share also. Yun, commit your work to the Lord. So in Proverbs 16 verse 3, commit your work to the Lord and your plans will be established. Ayun. Kaya again sinasabi namin nga na i-dedicate nyo yung business.
Yeah, kailangan ng Panginoon yung firm foundation mo in building this business or in any what you're trying to build in a relationship with yung mag-asawa, relationship with your kids. Kailangan mo talaga ng building firm, dapat firm yung building mo, yung foundation mo.
And then yun, God will bless you and so if you do that, if you commit everything to him, he will definitely bless you. Yeah. Ayun. Ano pa?
So I think pretty much na cover na natin. So
yes.
Yeah, thank you again.
Yes.
Thank you for catching us.
Yes.
Catching us in live. Thank you sa mga viewers namin. Stay tuned, yes.
Sa mga nagstay dyan.
We hope that na-encourage na naman namin kayo. It serves an inspiration na naman. Yes. And again, check our website at www.genusup.com. Yes. Put your name on it and email and register it. And then once you're check our free webinar and you're ready for the next step, click that button, PM us, message us on what to do, and we will guide you.
If you have further questions,
yes.
Yep, and we invite you again to just continuously follow us. Kasi it's just day 10. It's 90 days, so yes. 80 more days for us. Tuloy-tuloy po tayo dito sa Success Challenge na to, Go Live. So
yes, sabi nga ng President, tuloy-tuloy lang, walang bibitiw. Wala nang atrasan 'to, sabi niyang gano'n. And a good illustration niya kanina is when you're crossing the bridge,
Oh,
'pag takot ka, 'di ba, siyempre yung iba takot, yung iba talagang matapang yung na tumawid hanggang sa paroroonan nila.
mm,
It doesn't matter how fast you could reach that bridge or mabagal ka, pero 'pag once na nasa middle ka na or naka 1/4 ka na, huwag ka nang lumingon pabalik. Don't go back anymore kasi
yeah.
you will start again,
Yeah,
'di
sa
ba?
mga business partners namin
Yeah, you
diyan,
don't want to keep on
um, we're
starting,
encouraging
yeah.
you, just, keep going. Don't stop.
Hang on there.
Yeah.
Walang
Don't quit.
bibitiw.
Don't quit. Nasa umpisa pa lang tayo. Wala pa tayo sa ano dito. Even
Yes.
though we're just a bit ahead of you guys, you
Mhm.
guys can beat us, or
Yeah,
mahihigitan nyo kami. Pwede yun. Possible
Mhm.
yun. So, and then, let's be a team player.
Tulungan, tulungan.
Tulungan tayo. Isa sa mga natutunan ko yun sa military is, kasi every time, okay, I'm being asked every time, kasi pag nalalaman nila, oh, you're in the Air Force, so you fly a plane. No, I don't. I was never trained in flying a plane in the Air Force, but I was trained as a dental technician. Pero sinasabi lagi nila sa amin, we are still important because we are support. We are part of the
Yos. O yun na nga, yun
we
yun yun.
support
The Air Force.
so kasi isipin mo na lang yung mga ano rin, yung mga piloto, kaya they go through medical and background checks, medical checks ganyan, kasi they have to be really fit before they can fly those planes. So our part as medical is to make sure they're always fit, right? They're always
Mhm.
gonna be qualified to fly those planes,
So that they
be
could function
healthy
well.
to, yes. So kung wala kami na nagsusupport noon, they cannot do their mission. So we are part of the mission pa rin. So ganun din kayong mga business partners namin. If you feel like right now maybe things are not going as
As you
well,
planned.
or you feel like parang tahimik,
Or
wala pa
left out
masyadong
or left out kayo.
walang
No,
masyadong,
don't
no,
think of
don't
that
even
way.
think that you're left out. No.
Yeah.
Walang masyadong nangyayari.
Mhm.
You're still part of the
The
team.
team, yeah.
May magagawa ka pa rin.
Dito pa rin kayo.
Yung pinaka-trabaho lang natin is just, posting. Keep
Attract.
posting, attract.
So that
Attract.
attract.
Or support your fellow business partners.
Mhm.
Just do what they're doing also, kasi yung simple lang na pag-congratulate mo can boost someone else's
Mhm.
morale, right?
Yes.
So, right now, if things are not going well yet, or parang wala ka pang masasabing, yung iba sabi nila parang wala pa akong ma-share na success stories ko,
Mhm.
then support others, right? Or actually, it's a matter of a change in mindset yan eh.
Mhm.
May mga small and big wins tayo. Mini success and big success na ano. It's a matter of just a change in mindset. Have a positive mindset every time, kasi nga yung may something positive in everything eh, na our blessing, na in every day meron blessing tayong natatanggap sa Panginoon. Hanapin mo lang yan. Isipin mo lang yan. Ganun din sa business na to. Meron at merong blessing kang masasabi.
Kaya
Yeah.
nga. Kaya,
Kami, yung blessing sa akin na nakikita ko, nakasama ko, maiiyak ako. Huwag ka ako maging drama. Kasama ko yung mga anak ko. It's big blessing na sa akin yun.
mm.
Kasi napapalapit na yung supposed to be, papalapit na yung dapat I should be going back to work very soon. Pero I'm thankful to God sa blessing na binigyan niya ng supplemental income. I can extend.
Sabi ni Shea,
Wow, si Zapra, you're amazing friend. From the mother nurse, ex-military entrepreneur, now digital business owner, may bago na naman akong idol in you. Yeah. So, ganun lang. Change. I encourage you. Try to stay positive. Stay positive
stay
doon.
positive lang.
And if you feel down, reach out to us. We are your
Yeah.
there's your mentor, or
Or you want
us.
to,
We
if you want to talk something na kuan.
yeah. To,
Yeah.
we're here. We're here
we're just a text away, a phone call away.
Yeah, we're here to help you. Yan. So ano pa?
Yan.
Yan na. Kasi
So, yun na.
45 minutes na tayo.
Again,
But then, thank you so
thank
much
you
for
for
listening,
tuning in. Again, this is Ken.
And I'm Zap.
So why digital business?
Because it's more fun,
Less stress.
more joy.
Kaya
Join
join
na.
na. God bless, God bless. Again,
Tawa-tawa yung anak ko.
just check our website, www.genosub.com, and check that free webinar. Once you check on it,
Mhm.
go to the next step, and we will guide the rest.
Guide you with the rest. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Thank you again.
God bless you.
God bless
See you again tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. We've always been praying for you, for your success and blessings too.
All
Okay.
right.
Bye for now.
Teka lang. Mag-ano tayo. Mag-ano. Sige. Mag-count tayo. Ilang? 10 times?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, go. Due diligence, 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 due diligence. Sino nanalo? Si Shay.
All right.
All right,
bye.
bye.